The Age of Revolutions. Paragraph 1. Question number 1. Which two significant events in the 18th century strengthened the forces of democracy and nationalism globally? 18वीं शताब्दी में कौन सी दो महत्वपूर्ण घटनाओं ने विश्व स्तर पर डेमोक्रेसी और नेशनलिज्म की शक्तियों को मजबूत किया? आंसर: The revolutions in America and France were the two significant events that strengthened democracy and nationalism throughout the world. The American War of Independence. Paragraph 2. Question number 2. Which European countries established colonies in America following its discovery? अमेरिका की खोज के बाद किन यूरोपीय देशों ने अमेरिका में कॉलोनीज स्थापित किए? Answer: England, France, Spain, and the Netherlands, Holland established colonies in America, leading people from different European countries to settle there from the 16th century onwards.
Paragraph 3. Question number 3. What was the significance of the American War of Independence and what major change did it lead to? American War of Independence का क्या महत्व था और इससे कौन सा प्रमुख परिवर्तन आया? Answer: It was one of the first organized movements in modern history where people asserted their right to self-rule. Its most important outcome was the birth of the United States of America. The colonies. Paragraph 4. Question number 4. By the middle of the 18th century, how many British colonies existed on the east coast of North America? And why had English settlers moved there? 18th century के मध्य में ईस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका पर कितने ब्रिटिश कॉलोनीज मौजूद थे और इंग्लिश सेटलर्स वहां क्यों गए थे? Answer: There were 13 British colonies. The settlers had originally come from England seeking money, freedom, and a better life. Paragraph 5. Question number 5. How was the internal administration of the 13 colonies structured under British rule? ब्रिटिश शासन के अंतर्गत 13 कॉलोनीज का इंटरनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कैसे स्ट्रक्चर्ड था? Answer: Each colony had a British appointed governor and a local council elected by the white landowning men of the colony. These local councils enjoyed a considerable amount of freedom to pass laws and levy taxes.
Causes. Paragraph 6. Question number 6. How did the British government control the economy and trade of the American colonies? ब्रिटिश सरकार ने अमेरिकी कॉलोनीज की इकोनॉमी और ट्रेड पर कैसे नियंत्रण किया? Answer: The colonies were forbidden to use non-British ships for trade, could only export products like tobacco, sugar, and cotton to England at prices fixed by the British, and were heavily taxed on imports from other countries. Additionally, they were legally barred from setting up industries that would compete with British ones.
Paragraph 7. Question number 7. Did the colonies have a voice in the British Parliament? क्या कॉलोनीज का ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में कोई रिप्रेजेंटेशन था? Answer: No. The colonies had no representation in the British Parliament. Paragraph 8. Question number 8. What was the Stamp Act of 1765 and why did the colonists protest it with the slogan "No taxation without representation"? 1765 का स्टैम्प एक्ट क्या था और कॉलोनिस्ट ने रिप्रेजेंटेशन के बिना टैक्सेशन नहीं के नारे के साथ इसका विरोध क्यों किया? Answer: The Stamp Act made it compulsory to affix stamps on all documents to fund British wars. The colonists refused to pay it, arguing that because they had no representatives in the British Parliament, the British government had no legal right to levy taxes on them. Paragraph 9. Question number 9. Why did the British government impose a tax on tea? ब्रिटिश सरकार ने चाय पर टैक्स क्यों लगाया? Answer. The British government believed that because the colonies existed for the benefit of the mother country, it had the inherent right to tax them and imposed the tea tax specifically to assert this right. Paragraph 10. Question number 10. How did the colonies react to the tea tax in 1773? 1773 में चाय के टैक्स के प्रति कॉलोनीज की क्या प्रतिक्रिया थी? Answer. The colonists severely criticized the decision, and in 1773, several colonies outright refused to unload the tea shipments that arrived from England. Paragraph 11. Question number 11. What was the Boston Tea Party? Boston Tea Party क्या था? Answer. The Boston Tea Party was an incident where a group of people disguised as native Indians raided British ships in Boston and dumped chests of tea into the sea, an event that hastened the American War of Independence. Paragraph 12. Question number 12. Which philosophers inspired the colonists and what were their core ideas? किन philosophers ने colonists को inspire किया और उनके मुख्य विचार क्या थे? Answer. Philosophers like John Locke, John Harrington, John Milton, and Thomas Paine inspired the colonists. They wrote that all men are equal, possess basic human rights like earning a living freely, and have the right to raise their voice against injustice. Beginning. Paragraph 13. Question number 13. What action did King George III take when the colonists appealed to him in 1774 to end trade restrictions and unfair taxes? जब कॉलोनिस्ट्स ने 1774 में राजा जॉर्ज तीसरा से ट्रेड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस और अनफेयर टैक्सेस को समाप्त करने की अपील की, तो उन्होंने क्या कदम उठाया? Answer. The king regarded their appeal as a mutiny and sent his troops to suppress the colonists, which led the colonists to prepare for a fight. Paragraph 14. Question number 14. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? Who drafted it? And what core rights did it highlight? स्वतंत्रता की घोषणा को कब अपनाया गया, इसे किसने तैयार किया और इसने किन मुख्य अधिकारों को हाईलाइट किया? Answer. Adopted on July 4th, 1776 and drafted by Thomas Jefferson, the Declaration stated that all men are created equal and are endowed by their Creator with unalienable rights, including life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Paragraph 15. Question number 15. Who led the colonies during the War of Independence and when did the war end? स्वतंत्रता के युद्ध के दौरान कॉलोनीज का नेतृत्व किसने किया और ये युद्ध कब समाप्त हुआ? Answer. The colonies were led by George Washington and the war ended in 1783 with the colonies emerging victorious. Birth of the United States of America. Paragraph 16. Question number 16. What was the Treaty of Paris, 1783, and what rights did the new American Constitution guarantee? Treaty of Paris, 1783 क्या था और न्यू अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने किन अधिकारों की गारंटी दी? Answer. The Treaty of Paris was an agreement where the British recognized the independence of the 13 colonies, allowing them to form the USA. A constitution was drafted making the USA a republic, and its Bill of Rights guaranteed citizens the right to freedom of speech, religion, and justice.